Hello and welcome back to Off Grid Style. I'm Nikki and I'm so glad to have y'all here. Today we're discussing solar cooking methods. And this is a good piece of knowledge to have whether you're in a short-term situation like perhaps the power is out and you need to be able to cook food and it's going to be out for a couple of days, or you are facing a longer term SHTF type situation where you need to be able to cook food besides just using fire. So let's find out how to cook with solar methods and what the different ways of cooking are. We're exploring solar cooking methods. If you enjoy this video, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. Solar cooking is an eco-friendly and sustainable way to prepare food using the sun's energy. It offers a range of benefits, from reducing carbon emissions to providing a reliable cooking method in areas with limited access to traditional fuels. In this video, we will look into various solar cooking methods, their principles, and their advantages. The basics of solar cooking. Solar cooking uses reflectors or solar panels to capture and concentrate sunlight for heating and cooking food. Solar cooking is also environmentally friendly because it doesn't produce harmful emissions or rely on fossil fuels. Direct solar cooking. Solar box cookers. These are insulated boxes that trap sunlight, reaching temperatures suitable for slow cooking. They are perfect for stews, grains, and vegetables. Solar panel cookers are made from reflective material, and these cookers direct sunlight onto a pot or pan. They can reach high temperatures and are suitable for frying or boiling. Now let's look at indirect solar cooking. Parabolic cookers are concentrators that use curved mirrors to focus sunlight onto a central cooking point. Parabolic cookers can achieve high temperatures rapidly, making them suitable for grilling and stir-frying. Solar ovens use a reflector to direct sunlight into a well-insulated box. Temperatures inside can reach around 300 degrees, suitable for baking, roasting, and slow cooking. So what are the advantages of solar cooking? Solar cooking is sustainable as it relies on a renewable energy source and can reduce dependence on firewood or other non-renewable fuels. Solar cooking is cost-effective. Once a solar cooker is purchased or made, the fuel, which is sunlight, is free, leading to long-term cost savings. Solar cookers can retain heat well, reducing the need for frequent stirring and monitoring, which causes them to be energy efficient. And what about the challenges and considerations in using solar cooking? Obviously, there is the weather. Since solar cooking is weather dependent, it requires clear skies and sufficient sunlight. Solar cooking methods can take longer than conventional methods, so planning ahead is essential or having a lot of patience. You will also need special cookware with a dark surface to maximize heat absorption. What are some of the applications in developing regions for solar cooking? Solar cookers are used in humanitarian efforts to provide cooking solutions in refugee camps and disaster-stricken areas. In rural or off-grid communities, solar cooking can reduce the need for fuel collection and the associated time and health risks. And there are also educational benefits. Solar cooking teaches those interested in off-grid living or preparing for an SHTF situation how to sustainably and safely cook their food. What is the future of solar cooking with gas and electric prices skyrocketing these days? Ongoing research and development are leading to more efficient and cost-effective solar cookers. Solar cooking can be integrated into larger renewable energy systems for comprehensive sustainability, like for those who'd like to live off-grid full-time. Solar cooking offers a sustainable, eco-friendly, and cost-effective alternative to traditional cooking methods. While solar cooking has limitations in areas with inconsistent sunlight, the benefits in providing reliable cooking solutions in off-grid communities are substantial. With prices ranging from about $50 to upwards of $400, there is a solar cooker for everyone's budget. Thank you for joining me on this video. I hope you liked it. It was very interesting, I thought, especially for me, learning how to be able to cook bread on a solar cooker is pretty cool. I've not tried that before, so I'm definitely going to have to try it now that I know that I can. And also the cooking eggs was pretty interesting, or frying was pretty interesting. I didn't realize they got that hot. So I hope you liked the video. Please let me know what you thought. Have you ever tried a solar cooker? If you have, let me know. I always love to hear from you. I always answer back. So like, subscribe, comment, do all those good things, and I'll see y'all again soon. Thank you.